Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a quick tip for Canva. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices.
Hey guys, okay, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to download your logo with a transparent background. Now this is a really important format to have on file because it's what you're going to need to put on your website, on your social media, just really across all your branding. So I'm going to jump in, but before I do, I want to let you know that this tutorial is actually only for Canva Pro, so you do need the paid version of Canva. So let's get started. As you can see, I've got my template logo here. And you can see I've got this pink background. So what I'm going to do, I need to make sure there's no background before I download this. So I'm going to click on the background and I'm just going to hit the delete key. Beautiful. So now I've got no background in there. Now the next step is to go up to download in the top right hand corner, hit that, and you need to find the format, which is PNG. So PNG is the only format that will have a transparent background. JPEGs will always download white in the background. So if you're getting confused and you're downloading a JPEG and wondering why you can't get a transparent background, that is the reason. The format does not support it. You do need to use a PNG. Now, one step that we need to do is select transparent background. Beautiful, so that is ready to go and I'm just going to hit download. Beautiful, and that has downloaded. Perfect, and that has a transparent background. So if I was to put that over a color now, I'm just going to jump in and upload that into Canva so you can see what I mean by transparent background. I'm going to add a new page, and that logo that I just uploaded, I'm going to insert it so we can see it there in the center of our canvas. I'm going to change the background to blue, and as you can see, it changes behind the logo as well. There's no white square around the logo.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.